In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Upwork promo codes on Upwork. We'll move step by step so you can follow along easily and know exactly where to look and what to expect. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Upwork website. Once you're on Upwork, navigate to the Connects area. Connects are the credits you use to submit proposals, and this is where promo codes can sometimes give you a discount or bonus. Look for the option to buy or manage Connects and select Buy Connects. On the Purchase page, you should see a field where you can enter a promo code. Keep this tab open. We'll come right back to it. Next, open a new tab and go to Google again. Search for Upwork promo codes. From the results, click the listing from Worthy Penny. Coupon aggregators like this collect codes from around the web, and while not every code will work, it's a good place to start. Once you're on the page, find a code you want to try and click Show Code. Sometimes these buttons trigger a pop-up or open a new tab. Just focus on revealing the actual code. When the code appears, click Copy to place it on your clipboard. Now switch back to the Upwork tab, where the Buy Connects page is open. Click into the promo code field and paste the code you copied. If the code is valid, you should see the discount or bonus reflected before you complete the purchase. If it doesn't show any change or you see a message that the code is expired or not eligible, that's normal. Promo codes often have limited availability, geographic restrictions, or apply only to certain bundles or account types. In that case, go back to the coupon page, choose a different code, and try again until you find one that works. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you do this. Promo codes change frequently, so newer or recently updated codes have a better chance of working. Avoid sharing any personal or payment details on coupon sites. You only need the text of the code. Also, keep your Upwork Buy Connects tab open the whole time so you can paste codes quickly and see results immediately. That's the process. Open Upwork, go to Connects, head to Buy Connects, locate the promo field, search Google for Upwork promo codes, use Worthy Penny to reveal and copy a code, then paste it back on Upwork and check the discount. Thanks for watching, and good luck finding an active code.